Many traders spend months perfecting a strategy, backtesting, and paper trading until the results look promising. You feel confident, fund your account, and expect your equity curve to rise. But when real money is on the line, things change. Suddenly you hesitate, miss entries, or cut winners short out of fear. Frustration builds as your strategy falls apart in practice. The paradox? The problem isn't your strategy, it's your mind. Technical skills matter, but psychological mastery is what separates winners from losers. The market exposes your deepest fears and biases. In trading, instincts like fear and greed become liabilities. Until you confront these internal forces, no strategy will make you consistently profitable. Mark Douglas teaches, true success starts with mastering your own mind. Most traders think they're battling the market or other traders, but your real opponent is your own mind, your beliefs and emotions. Our brains crave certainty, but markets are uncertain by nature. Fear makes you hesitate or exit too early. Hope keeps you in losing trades. Emotional swings lead to inconsistent results. The market is neutral. It's your interpretation that causes pain. Consistency comes from your mindset, not the market. You can't control the market, only your reactions. Trading mastery is an inward journey, managing your emotions and beliefs. The path to success is learning to control yourself, not the market. We're taught that enough information lets us predict outcomes. In trading, this belief is a trap, the illusion of control. Markets are complex, driven by millions of unpredictable participants. You can never know the outcome of any single trade with certainty. Believing you can predict the market leads to frustration and pain. Mark Douglas urges, let go of the need for certainty. The market owes you nothing and will do what it wants. Each trade's outcome is essentially random. Your job isn't to predict, but to react to opportunities with a statistical edge. Accepting uncertainty frees you from emotional turmoil. See the market as neutral information, not a personal test. Focus on executing your system, not being right every time. If you can't predict, how do you profit? By thinking in probabilities. Like a casino, you need a system with a statistical edge over many trades. A good strategy wins over time, not every time. Losses are part of the game, not failures. Adopt a professional, detached perspective. Each trade is just one of many. Losing streaks are normal in a probabilistic system. Focus on flawless execution, not individual outcomes. Trust your edge to play out over the long run. This mindset keeps you calm and objective, even during losses. Mark Douglas offers 5 truths every trader must accept. First, anything can happen. Always use a stop loss and respect the market's unpredictability. Second, you don't need to know what will happen next to make money. Focus on your edge, not predictions. Third, wins and losses are randomly distributed. Don't get attached to streaks. Fourth, an edge is just a higher probability, not a guarantee. Fifth, every market moment is unique. Don't assume past patterns will repeat. Write these truths down and review them daily. They're the foundation of a resilient trading mindset. Accepting them keeps your expectations realistic. They help you stay present and objective. Don't let past trades color your judgment. Your job is to execute your plan, not control outcomes. Internalize these truths to trade without fear. This is the bedrock of long-term success. Knowing these truths is one thing, living them is another. Building discipline takes practice, like training a muscle. Start with emotional awareness. Notice fear, greed, or frustration before they control you. Keep a detailed trading journal, tracking not just trades but your emotions and decisions. Mindfulness and meditation help you stay calm and respond rationally. Create pre- and post-market routines to reinforce discipline. Review your trades based on process, not just profit or loss. Structure and routine turn trading into a professional business. Consistent habits build the mental strength you need. Don't tie your self-worth to your trading results. Wins shouldn't inflate your ego. Losses shouldn't crush you. Emotional swings lead to reckless decisions and poor discipline. True consistency comes from detaching your ego from outcomes. Judge yourself by how well you follow your plan, not by P&L. Think like a scientist. The process matters more than the result. A loss after perfect execution is still a success. A win from breaking your rules is a failure. Abstract money into risk units to neutralize emotions. When you're emotionally neutral, you unlock your best trading. Once you accept probabilities and detach your ego, trust your system completely. Don't tinker with your strategy after a few losses, this resets your edge. Consistency only comes from applying your system over many trades. Backtest and demo trade until you trust your edge. With trust, execution becomes automatic, no hesitation or second guessing. Like driving a car, practice makes your actions instinctive. This eliminates most trading errors caused by emotion. You act on signals without fear or hope. Trust is built on data, not blind faith. This is the bridge to professional, steady results. Let your system work for you by following it flawlessly. Top performers in any field know the feeling of being in the zone. For traders, this means acting without fear, hesitation, or internal conflict. You're absorbed in the present, detached from money and outcomes. You see the market clearly, without emotional bias. When your setup appears, you act instantly and without doubt. Losses are just business costs. Wins are managed by your plan. This state is the reward for your psychological work. It's not mystical. Anyone can achieve it with practice. In the zone, trading becomes engaging, not stressful. You stop fighting the market and start flowing with it. This is the ultimate goal, effortless, confident execution. Trading mastery is an internal journey, not a search for the perfect strategy. Your mind is your greatest asset and obstacle. Success means aligning your beliefs with market realities, except you can't control the market, only yourself. Build discipline, embrace probabilities, and focus on process. Let the 5 truths guide you and develop strong habits. Consistency in the market starts with consistency in your mind. Begin today, identify your mental blocks and commit to mastering them.